Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on Webtech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to add transition on your Google slide. So here you can see I have one side here. I just add one more to show you. Okay, so first you need to select the slide which you want to apply the transition. Then here you can see the transition option. If you don't see here, okay, so maybe you have to click on it, then this option will come, or just click right, or you will see the option like transition. Then on the right side the motion option will become. Now just select the here effect like fade, and you can adjust the speed of transitions, and you can also apply the same transition to all slide. Okay, and just click on play, so the transition will be applied. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.